Bribiano, Yampesi Bedi Eshiseso. I know my right. You have no locus. We don't want Ghana to progress.
Yeah.
On this Ghana card matter.
Yeah.
Even though we have reservations about the deadline of December 1. And the further he said, 1 year, Benjamin Ibiano, no controller general, or even Biakam. But it's so irritating. Yes, your man, I hope them. Yes, your man, you predate again, Juma. Yes, your man, you say regulate your mind. Yes, your man, you say yes, I'm on it. Control within. Your body will go. Why? Why do people think that they have a certain right? Why? No, the state has no power again.
Unions, no,
I'm saying that the state has no power again.
The union is serving the interest of our members.
I'm saying that so the state has no power again. I called their bluff. It's becoming too much in this country. I know my right. A minor but they rob me crime better 2 weeks continue.
Yeah.
Me patch out.
Yeah.
Deliberately, people have refused to go and write their names. You are the deadline about the Awakasa. Sasa Nkofo, Udu America, Udu Germany, Udu Holland. Baby, I do your them 3 days. I'm publishing them 3 days.
Yeah.
Why are we doing this to ourselves? Why are we doing this to ourselves? We are more deadline. More deadline. Mako US 42nd Street. We'll meet in 11 o'clock. Me do one 10:20.
11 o'clock.
Yes. Ghana. Kamiko meeting na 11. About 11, I feel I'm afraid a simple business and say, Ghana ni person oh. Yeah. Me to my child me do 11:40-45 or maybe.
Yeah.
Ni ba kraba. Yeah, to the
man one oh.
Yes.
Me the traffic more.
Yeah. We can't change because of the traffic. That I'm asking me yemu stars. My mention bit me do 11:45 yeah. I think so you be favor. We comply outside. We don't comply. We come and show locus and whatever.
Because I'm running your juma.
Please.
I'm running your juma.
I tell the controller so you should call their bluff. Your brain is iron to mouth and your court. If we start to tell people the way they are supposed to behave in this country, and now we are whine and any locals and now you are trouble on my right. We are fed up with this. Oh, it's too much. We can decide to say, hey, Bia. Where the madam my ass so de kakra. December 1 the moment fast problem. But you're calling the bluff of the state.
Me extend the kakra. MIN.
Ghana can unim de am Ghana. I'm a Ghana for. Mama ain't compromise na mo nyamo and sa papa e sha se board dawru on this matter of Ghana card. Papa chokoko ko nyuma kura mu.
Professor
why are we doing this?
He's been all over the place.
Why are we doing this?
He's been all over the place.
People think that they have certain unions.
Media house.
They have certain unions.
Yeah. He's been all over the place.
So they can hold the country or take the country
to ransom.
Why?
Yeah.
Why? And when they control of our compromise, they should call people's bluff. December, wakati ya ma tipiga.
No, but the effect, I mean, say control and so intimate and bibia.
No, but let me tell you. No, but let me tell you. Bibia you be postponed in this country.
I know.
Mintra can't just say AstraZeneca. Kwa one free egusuka. Kwa one free egusuka. Abai de sisa ba say the sika be to akwa aba obi abaju sika be the right. I know my right. In global the pandemic you can't say mbasa. Yeni han ye ka say Ghana card will be after the prestige you know amount for ebu ye for 350 400 prestige so akoko line so 250 we know say it takes even time and me ba na for class amo capacity to register people no our form baby me ko tro me die say nipa ba ko hwe nipa be 50 utimi say nsa kro tro na nsa no kra no ano ne ya record na nkasa kra anya careful obeti it takes time so nya abutre no wetima feel ya bodewura munko na monti se dogo bi no abe every day
it takes time
we want to take Ghanaians
one careful obeye mfom so go be datem ni date of birth
Ghana should grow past this kind of minor threats. We have to beg you. The state, we have all agreed that we'll go by the principles of what the state is saying. Genuine state requirement is also there. So odi e Ghana for it will take you the next 30 years to finish the Ghana card exercise. Odi Ghana for
Kwabra trase. But me ba
This country is becoming something else.
Kwabra trase. Senior trase.
I know my right. I know. But I know my right is so I do her.
Yeah.
And then you can
me ba trase. Padaroma.
Oh.
Any di mo a. Kwasi.
The Oman canon, ne quite soon. They do baby, we need to take a firm stand, but controller and accountant general so Abani say with NIA, I think say what they need to do for a smooth transition is at least a teacher for no priority in their registration. Because Abani says so middlemen be brave because traffic beba. Teacher ni be person be register to be say
you pay a price for whatever you do.
Yes, absolutely.
And
I want to say
you go through an inconvenience because of what you have created for yourself.
Yes.
Always you should stop being Mr. Nice and sometimes be tough. Ghana card no may be year free or na easy. And you may be year free Ghana a how ne katasha pro any dream and a double nyoma be a can and be any pay and easy database is what you did boo mine.
Yeah.
Your mind.
Yeah, boy, I'm a lawyer.
That's all can be big. Your free will say National Identity Register Regulation 2012. Now, what's it? Section 7 mandatory use of national identity card.
Yeah.
2012 was say a national identity card used to an individual shall be used for the following transaction where identification is required: application for an issuance of a passport, application for an issuance of a driver license, opening of individual or personal bank account, purchase of insurance policies, purchase, transfer, and registration of land by individual or a connected transaction subject to the provision order enactment, transaction pertaining to individual in respect of pensions, transactions specified under the National Health Insurance Scheme, transactions that have social security implications, consumer credit transactions, registration of voters, payment of taxes, registration of SIM cards, application for public or government services, facilities approval, permission or benefit, and any other transaction which the authority may determine and publish in the Gazette.
So you see,
2012 near passes.
Saloi.
Now, yes,
a Juma Ghana card in a baby.
Yes, they should not call the bluff of the controller. They should order Jojo and stop the bluff calling. Issue should press release. Please.
Answer now, Bekono. Kwasi, the traffic situation.
Oh, yeah, Timmy Yamushi. No, Timmy, where they say traffic, cars are backroom, all backroom, a quano so, a new baby, a bojibonka, you need regulations. So, everything that we go through serve as an inconvenience. It's as a result of Yankasi creation. You'll be the creative. So, whatever it is, Ghana, if we don't attempt to change the old style and ways, and our belief and thinking is that be doing the same old things, new results there is a lie. Well, maybe traffic with 3 hours, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 4 hours,
and
moving from here
effect
to Domi. It's
yeah, can say it will be the traffic move.
Yeah, but we can't do anything about. But you see, when we are quick to do these things, as if somebody is creating the problem, we are creating the problem ourselves. We continue to create the problems ourselves. Then we come to complain. And by your behavior, your action and inaction. Government has its role to play. We also have our role to play. You are contributing to all this nonsense happening in this country. It's the idea ba. Instance here, best no. Near can and equation. Near the acquire man yourself.
It has a huge effect.
Yeah, but traffic they say, papa. Traffic, a say business.
Yeah.
Traffic, one kasa wo fan go shame traffic so there are a lot of inconvenience. My problem now is even with the emergency services. Eja ne a hospital ambulance service for because for instance interchange general ambulance can be dim more because no just baby am fa from Kufuor honum ne ba be say 37 or whatever. Odimu more than 45 1 hour. Obia akonchen aba still ntimi nko. Ahayema.
Obia the traffic man mo missing appointment or job interview.
Oh, but and then they say the list of it. We are talking about
You
life
see?
for EU.
Yeah.
Obi the ambulance mu.
Yeah.
Senka traffic need to be open up quicker. Now job losses there. Bebre. But Ghana for nankasa no. Oka job losses. Oka so 2 and then area 4 or call USA. Obeko could do airport on 9 a.m. and now pay. Or the airport or track pay for. Job losses were 22 minutes to time. No offer car no call. The traffic chain even 4 minutes. There's a problem.
Yeah.
We all pay the price. Let us continue to pay the price. Say quite need to send me qua. We'll start adapting to new styles and new
Being
things.
time conscious.
Yeah, we all. Now call job interview and 9 o'clock. You relax wherever you are and move at 8:30. Now 8:30 they say be odi dey na Sky Tree na.